According to the American Lung Association, cigarettes contain over 600 harmful items, and while burning, they release more than 7,000 toxins. Nearly 69 of these toxins poison the body and lead to cancer. A lot of them are also included in common products sold in the markets, but they are labeled on the package. The following list contains some of the toxins and chemicals you get while smoking. Acetone of polish remover. Acetic acid of hair dye. Ammonia of house cleaners. Arsenic in rat poison. Benzene in rubber cement. Butane in fluid in lighters. Cadmium in battery acid. Carbon monoxide in car exhaust fumes. Formaldehyde in embalming fluids for medicine and autopsy. Hexamine in barbecue fluid for lighting. Lead in battery. Naphthalene in mothballs. Methanol in rocket fuels. Nicotine in insecticides and such products. Tar in paving road materials. Toluene in paints. Therefore, the lungs of both smokers and ex-smokers are full of these dangerous poisons. Yet, there is an effective way to cleanse at least the biggest part of them, and it contains only 3 ingredients: ginger, onion, and turmeric. These foods are extremely beneficial and provide potent medicinal properties. Ginger effectively eliminates the accumulated mucus in the lungs, while onions have potent anti-cancer properties and fight respiratory issues. Turmeric is high in minerals and vitamins, as well as omega-3 fat acids, and destroys cancer cells, and fights bacteria and viruses. This is how to prepare this recipe. Ingredients: 2 big spoons powdered turmeric. Ginger root, organic. 400 grams onion. 400 grams raw sugar. 1 liter water. Method of preparation: you should add the sugar to the water and heat the mixture until it boils. Then, chop the ginger and the onions and add them to the pan. As soon as it boils, lower the heat, and add the turmeric. Cook it until you get half of the initial amount. Strain and pour the mixture in a glass bottle or a jar, leave it to cool, and store it in the fridge. Take a tablespoon of it in the morning on an empty stomach, and 1 in the evening, 2 hours after your dinner. The effects are miraculous.